$5.1 billion real estate giant Grant Cardone buys 1,000 Bitcoin, plans 3,000 more BTC, Bitcoin, new 8H coming? Bitcoin. $5.1 billion real estate giant Cardone Capital buys 1,000 Bitcoin and plans 3,000 more as institutional buying hits $1.5 billion monthly peak despite technical weakness. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Real estate mogul Grant Cardone has made a massive strategic pivot by adding 1,000 Bitcoin to his $5.1 billion Cardone Capital portfolio. This makes the company the first integrated real estate/Bitcoin firm which plans to acquire an additional 3,000 BTC alongside 5,000 new real estate units this year. MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor congratulated Cardone on the announcement, which represents the latest in a massive wave of institutional Bitcoin adoption that has seen over $1.5 billion in corporate purchases throughout June alone. Cardone Capital's entry into Bitcoin comes as 132 publicly listed companies now hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets, up from 89 in April. Their combined holdings exceed 800k BTC and are worth over $88 billion. The real estate titan's decision to pursue 4,000 total Bitcoins represents over $400 million in digital asset exposure at current prices. This institutional adoption wave has accelerated dramatically following Bitcoin's rally to $111,965 in May, spurring companies across diverse industries to race for Bitcoin exposure while investor appetite remains strong. Institutional Bitcoin buying frenzy reaches $1.5 billion monthly peak. June 2025 has witnessed an extraordinary surge in corporate Bitcoin accumulation, with major institutional players deploying over $1.5 billion across multiple high-profile purchases. This represents the largest monthly corporate buying spree in Bitcoin's history. Japanese investment firm Metaplanet has emerged as the most aggressive buyer, adding 1,111 Bitcoin for $118.2 million just days ago, bringing their total holdings to 11,111 BTC valued at over $1.07 billion. The company's ambitious 210,000 Bitcoin target by 2027 would represent approximately 1% of Bitcoin's maximum supply, with CEO Simon Jerevich declaring this. Asia's largest ever equity raise to buy Bitcoin. MicroStrategy continues leading the corporate adoption charge with multiple purchases throughout June, including 10,100 Bitcoin for $1.05 billion, bringing their total holdings to approximately 592,100 BTC worth over $60 billion. The company's relentless accumulation strategy has inspired a global wave of imitators, with healthcare company Prenetics investing $20 million for 187.42 BTC. Norwegian firm K33 targeting 1,000 BTC through a $9 million share issue, and UK-listed Smarter Web company adding 45.32 BTC to reach 168.08 total holdings. This buying wave is geographically diverse, spanning Japan's capital markets to Europe's regulated exchanges and North America's public companies. Most notably, Metaplanet's financing mechanisms include $555 million moving strike warrants capable of raising $5.4 billion to facilitate massive Bitcoin accumulation strategies. The company's quarter-to-date Bitcoin yield of 107.9% has attracted significant institutional attention, and its stock has surged over 408% year-to-date. Technical analysis reveals critical resistance despite institutional support. Despite the massive institutional buying pressure, Bitcoin's technical structure reveals signs of weakness, suggesting the current rally may be losing momentum. The hourly chart analysis shows Bitcoin experiencing a fake-out following an initial sweep higher that failed to sustain momentum. The asset is currently trading around $101,988 after breaking down from an ascending channel pattern. The breakdown of this technical structure occurred despite massive institutional capital injection, indicating that supply pressure from existing holders may be overwhelming the new institutional demand. The 15-minute timeframe provides even more granular evidence of supply-demand imbalance, with Bitcoin trapped within a distribution pattern where red supply zones are successfully containing rallies while demand zones around $98,500 to $99,500 represent the next major support confluence. The order flow data also reveals a telling pattern of aggressive selling activity at resistance levels above $100,800, with multiple red entries indicating that sellers are using any strength to distribute positions. This suggests that while institutional purchases provide temporary support, the prevailing market structure favors sellers capitalizing on institutional buying to exit positions. The detailed hourly analysis with order flow shows Bitcoin testing the critical $100,000 psychological barrier while facing resistance from the 65-period exponential moving average at $102,451 and the 200-period EMA at $104,109. The time and sales data reveal consistent selling pressure, with green buy entries quickly absorbed by red sell entries at higher price levels. This indicates that institutional buying may occur at technically disadvantageous levels. The combination of broken technical support around $103,000 to $104,000 bearish moving average configuration and negative order flow dynamics suggests that Bitcoin could face continued downside pressure toward $98,000 to $99,000 despite the institutional capital injection. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sacks as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Analyst declares only two paths remain. As XRP tightens to breaking point, which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025, leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, and Solana by the end of 2025. Press releases. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu, and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction, already down. Iran attacks send BTC price to $102,760 by the dip. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Press releases. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, and Cardano by the end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By NSS Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Pre-sale crypto list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.